So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add music to your game or the background music to your game. So in order to do that, as you can see, you first need to understand what auto load is and other thing. So let's start by creating a new scene, and I generally name this as music controller, and you can basically add as many audio stream nodes in it. So you can just add audio stream player. So generally there are a lot of type of nodes here. You can see here the audio listener, you can see the audio stream player 2D, and for the 3D games you can see audio listener 3D and audio stream player 3D, audio stream player. So there are a lot of audio stream nodes. So let's understand what each node does. So let's pull up Godot documentation in order to understand what these are, but let me give you a brief description. So first of all, you can see that audio stream player 2D, it basically gives you the positional audio. And what is the positional audio? It's basically means, let me open the pane. So it basically means like if a player is somewhat here, let's say this is the player, and if there is a speaker here, so what will happen, the more close the player will go towards the speaker or the audio position uh, stream player, the more louder the sound gets. So it's basically act as a spatial audio. So that's what the audio stream player 2D does. And if you want the background music to be played as normally as it, no, not, you don't need any special audio feature. You can just go for the audio stream play. It generally plays the audio non-positionally. That means this thing will not happen. Uh, it will be able to basically heard same volume at any position you will go. So that's what this audio stream player does, and that's what I want. So let's create this node, and you can just manually set up these streams, which is basically just go for your audio or the music file, and you can drag it up here, and if you click on playing, it will just play the music. Right now we can just get this, and now we need to add a script to our music controller. Make sure you create a new folder before that. So let's create a new folder. So let me create a new folder which is called as auto loads in the project, and we will set this up as music controller.gd, and here we go, we got our editor open. So now what you can do is you can just press hold control and drag it up here, and it will give you this thing. And what it does is it basically gets the nodes from the nodes tree. And now what you need to do is create a function, and let's create a function called BGM play. And what it does, it will play the BGMs that we are going to assign to the audio stream player. So we can just instead of, we can just directly use this audio stream player or stream, and you can also manually assign the path of this thing and something like this, right? But you can also do that. And now what we can just do is audio stream player dot play, and now we can just save this scene on the auto loads, and now the same scene is saved. Now we have created our auto load scene and the music controller. How we can use this? So first of all, you need to go on to the project settings, and now you need to go on the globals, and you need to click on this folder icon, and you can just go and select any of these. Let's select the scene, and this scene will load as the we start the project. So make sure that auto loads automatically loads when we start the project. So it is enabled now, and you can see we need to add our music controller name, and here we go, we got our music controller auto load added here. Okay, so now let's close it, And now we need to go on our game scene, which is this one right now. Okay, and I'm going to go to the script of the game scene. And now what we will do is we will just go on the function, and we will go on to ready function. And if you press music controller, you will be able to find this class here, and we can just directly call our BGM play function, and it will just run fine. So this is just for the BGM, but you can also add more audio stream player here. For right now, you can just add audio stream player 2 and make it something like an SFX player, which is the sound effects player. Make sure that these SFX player will only, if they are running, then they cannot change the stream, so it will not clash or interfere with the other streams options. You can create multiple audio stream player and control them with the functions that you have made here. So right now, if I have an SFX player that plays something like footstep sound, so make sure you don't change the stream of this SFX player multiple times when you need that audio file, right? So you need to remember all these kinds of things, and you need to always create more streams if you need them. So yeah, so that's it. I hope you like this video, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. That keep me motivated. And if you have any idea or suggestion for the next video, you can drop in the comment section.